In this tutorial I'll show you how to download music from Spotify so you can listen to it offline. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Spotify app. You are on the home page. Tap on the song that you want to download. I will choose some random song. So you can tap on these three dots at the top right. And it will show you a bunch of options, but there is no option to download this specific song. In order to download this, you have to add it to a playlist. So tap on this Add to Playlist option. And you can either create a new playlist or you can add this song to an already existing playlist that you made. I will make one. Once you do that, tap on your library. And then select the playlist that you added that song. And now if you want to download that song, tap on this downward arrow over here. And that will start the download process. So to show you that you can actually listen to these tracks offline, I am going to turn off the internet connection. And I am going to play this song. As you can see, I can play this offline without any internet connection.